Welcome, YouTube family, to the first episode of Making Money with Mason. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money by re-uploading YouTube Shorts. Think you can make money by just re-uploading YouTube Shorts? Well, you can, but not the way most people think. In this video, I'll show you how to make money by re-uploading YouTube Shorts without getting demonetized or violating YouTube rules. So let's dive in. Understanding YouTube rules. First things first, YouTube monetization rules. Many people think they can just download someone else's shorts or re-upload them, but that's one-way ticket to getting demonetized, or worst, banned. Here's the key. You need to add value. This means transforming, remaking, or compiling content in a way that makes it unique. Examples of re-uploading done right. Reaction videos, adding commentary or insight. Compilations with edits, transitions, or text overlays. Or remixes, editing viral content in a creative way. Step 2. Finding viral and monetizable content. Not all shorts are created equal. You need content that's trending and monetizable. Where to find ideas? So, where we usually get ours is YouTube Shorts in the trending tabs, or TikTok, Instagram Reel trends, niche-specific viral videos, i.e. motivational, finance, fitness, travel. Avoid content that's too copyrighted. Instead, look for public domain, Creative Commons, or fair use content. Step 3. Editing and transforming the content. This is where you make the magic happen. Key ways to make content unique is adding voiceovers, like we're doing right now. Use captions and text overlay. Change the format. Zoom, crop, add effects. Use background music and sound effects. And mix multiple clips together to tell a story. Best free tools for this. CapCut is like a mobile editing. DaVinci Resolve is like a PC editing. Canva for text and graphics. Step 4. Monetization strategies. Now let's talk money. Monetizing YouTube Shorts isn't just adding an ad revenue. Here are multiple ways to make money from re-uploading shorts. YouTube Shorts funds and ad revenues. Once eligible for monetization. Affiliating marketing promotes Amazon products, courses, or digital products. Sponsorships and brand deals. Once you grow your audience. Selling digital products or merch, ebooks, presents, or templates. The fastest way to earn affiliate marketing. That's the fastest way. Add links in the pinned comments and descriptions of the products related to your content. Step 5. Posting and growth strategies. Uploading isn't enough. You need a strategy. So our strategy is we're going to post 3 to 5 shorts per day using trending hashtags. We're going to write engaging titles and descriptions and engage in comments and reply fast. The more content you post, the faster you'll grow. And here's the outro. So now you know how to actually make money re-uploading shorts the right way. No copyright issues, no demonetization, just smart content repurposing. Which method are you going to do first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe. And hit the notification so you don't miss out on our next videos. See you on the next one. And if you liked us, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. This is Making Money with Mason, and we'll catch you on the next one.